Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you, especially to the lecturers and to my fellow friends. First of all, I would like to thank a lot to the lecturers for giving us the opportunity to present about the market research multipurpose platform motorcycle in Malaysia. For the subject for the courses NMU 207 Entrepreneurship. I'm from the Group 11, and then we would like to introduce ourselves first. Firstly, my name is Muhammad NURHARFIZZIE bin Muhammad NURHARFIZZAN, and my partner is AZWAN bin SHAMSULBAHRI. Okay, for our content in the presentation today we will start with the introduction and then move on to the research methodology, and the third one, product or service possibilities, and fourth, industry or target market possibilities, and the last one, last but not least, is the conclusion for our market research. First, introduction. For introduction, we will explain about the product and service. Multi-platform motorcycle is the device of lifting high power motorcycle, especially designed for lift high power motorcycle is an upright position. And the third one, the design produced is in compliance with the needs and comfort of customer. Several aspects of the design need to be considered, such as ergonomic aspect. Size, weight, and shape play the important role to developing or to sell our product. And the last one, the material used in producing multi-purpose platform motorcycle are hollow mill steel, aluminum zinc plate, mill steel plate, tires, and wheel as this material are more suitable. Our objective is able to move high power motorcycle more easier. This and second one, able to keep the motorcycle upright and safe for user. And the third one, have a place to store motorcycle repair equipment. And the last one is able to save space in the parking area. And now we go to research methodology. We have two types of research methodology, such as is questionnaire by using the Google form to take the data from this questionnaire, and from the survey we can see the how the people or the general people know about our product. And the second one is online medium, which is we refer at ebook, journal, a video at YouTube, and so on. And the third one is product and service visibility. We have product or service visibility. We have actually five, and the first one is performance. The third one environment. Uh, the second one is environment. The third one is safety. Another two I will explain later. Okay, first we go to the first one, which is the performance. This product is able to accommodate the load of high produced motorcycle under 250 kg. Designed especially for higher power motorcycle that 2 m long and 0.25 m wide. And the second one is environment. We decide to select this because it is having quality materials such as mild steel and aluminum steel. And then this material have long durability and are long recyclable and can save our earth. And the third one is safety, which is there are a few safety requirement that every product design need to take into the account. And the last one, the iron used in zinc plate that can produce safety to use is not easy to rush. That is very need to our is very safe to use for customer but with our product. And the fourth one is shape and weight shape. The product the selection of size and weight is made based on height power motorcycle. Determine the size analysis was conducted on several types of high power motorcycle. This shape is found to suitable with the allotted position required by the user to place the motorcycle. And the five, last but not least, is quality and robustness, or we call that the strength. The material used in creating the multipurpose platform motorcycle product is high quality material and safe to use by customer, namely my steel plate and my steel plate. Yeah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZWAN bin SHAMSULBAHRI. I'm from University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. So today, I will explain about product or service demand. Okay, for the first is about analysis survey, that is demography of respondent. For the question 1, based on the figures above, there are 38.6%, that is 22 respondents out of 57 respondents are female, while there are 61%, that is 35 respondents out of 57 respondents are male. Okay, for the question 2 is about age. That is 80.7% is age around 20 until 30 years old, and 8.8% the age around 30 until 45 years old, and for the 45 and above and 20 below is around 5.25%. Okay, for the question 3 is about race. So this is about the race that is the main answer this survey is Malay, that is 80.7%. Okay, for the question 4 is about occupation respondent. Based on the figure, gender as respondent above, we can see that the respondents are more male than female. These respondents are from various age group, but most of them are in the range of 20 until 30 years old, and they are mostly students. They also comprise the Malay, Chinese, and Indians, others. Okay, for the part B, that is about problem background analysis. Okay, in this part, it's about a collection of data on 3 questions that examine the background of consumer problem on existing product to be improved by the researcher. The result of the study on this problem are shown in the figures below. Okay, for the question 1, do you have motorcycle? That is 80.7% answer yes, and 90.3% answer no. Okay, for the question 2, what kind of motorcycle that you use? Okay, that the second question asks about the type of motorcycle or CC category of consumer motorcycle. It is divided into 3 categories, namely 150cc and below, 150 until 250cc, and 250cc and above. Based on the data obtained, As many as 75.4% of 57 people use low-powered motorcycles that are 510cc and below, while a total 22.8% use motorcycles that are categorized as medium cc, which is 150 until 250cc, and the rest use high-powered motorcycle. Okay, for the question 3, do you know about pedal stand? Okay, the next question is related to the pedal stand. As many as 80.7% of the respondents were unaware of the pedal stand. This may be due to the fact that most motorcycles do not use this tool. Only powerful motorcycles use pedal stand for storage, while 19.3% of the 57 respondents have known or do not know this tool known as pedal stand. Okay, for the part C, that is about design analysis. Okay, this part shows the data related to the product design that has been produced. Respondents were given 4 questions related to safety, material use, method, and operability of the machine to user. Respondents were given 2 answer choices, while only 4 questions related to the material use were given 5 answer choices. Data for design-related questions can be found below. Okay, for the question 1, in your opinion as a consumer, is the product safe to use? Okay, 91.2% is answer yes and 8.8% answer no. Okay, for the question 2, what is the appropriate material to use to make this tool? Okay, the second question in this section is related to the selection of material to do or make this product. There are 5 answer choices that have been given to the respondent. The majority of the respondents have chosen stainless steel as the best material to make this product. This because this product is used to accommodate relatively large load. So stainless steel is very suitable to use because it is not easy to rust and strong to withstand load imposed around below than 200 kilograms. Okay, for the question 3 is about, in your opinion, is this product easy to operate? Okay, from the answer, 87.7% choose yes and 12.3% choose answer no. Okay, for the question 4, does this product help you as a consumer in terms of saving space? Okay, for the last question is relevant about whether this product helps save space. Based on the data obtained, 93% of 57 respondents think that this tool can save space. This is because this tool is able to push or place the motorcycle in a small space or in a corner. Lastly, it's also because this tool is able to move easily and does not require a lot of energy to move. Okay, for the 4.1, industry or target market feasibility. Okay, for the specification of product, there is ergonomy. The ergonomy is ensuring that everything is done in comfortable, safe, and effective situation. Ergonomy is very important thing in producing multi-purpose platform motorcycle. This product use aspects that have to do with safety, health, efficiency, and comfort. High-powered motors that is heavier than ordinary motors are things that can have a detrimental effect on the health and safety of user where they are difficult to move and weigh more than 100 kg. Okay, and then this high-powered motorcycle take up a lot of parking space, especially in the backyard area due to its large size. Next, equipment commonly used to repair motorcycles such as spanner and screwdriver or whatever are often loose and difficult to find due to misplaced and placed in a separate place from a motorcycle. Okay, that is the advantage of this product. That is, this product can move the motorcycle. By the way, the rear tires are on the uh, platform. Okay, next, the high-powered motorcycle take up a lot of parking space, especially in the backyard area due to its large size. Okay, male and female users can move and adjust the motorcycle by pushing it with normal force. That is, they not use more force to push the motorcycle. And the product also has a storage place to keep motorcycle equipment. And the product also has wheels on the bottom which can smooth the use of this product and make it easy for users to move the product without giving a strong force. Okay, this is the size, weight, and shape. Okay, uh, for this product, the selection of size, weight, and shape is made based on high-powered motorcycle standard. The size chosen is 165 cm x 356 cm. That is length times width. For the standard size requirement required by high-powered motorcycle. To determine this size, the analysis was conducted on several types of high-powered motorcycle. In terms of weight, the weight of this product is supported by the wheel provided under the platform. Um, the use of this wheel will facilitate the movement of the user where there is no need to accommodate height weight to use this platform. In addition, the shape of this product is suitable for the use of the motorcycle where it is only rectangular in shape. Okay, for the material for this product is uh, important aspect of the design to determine the durability and sustainability. Okay, the material selection process is important step in producing a product so that it can function properly and have high durability. Okay, the material used to use in this product is hollow steel, mid steel, zinc plate, hingers, and wheel. That is hammer caster. Okay, so as the conclusion, um, the pedal stand is a tool for lifting high-strength motorcycle that is not uncommon to come with a double stand as commonly found in low engine capacity CC motorcycle or mod type motorcycle. This smart platform has a variety of functions that can move a motorcycle with the rear tires being on the platform. User, whether male or female, can use the platform with normal strength platform motorcycle. All type of motorcycle, whether high or low strength, can use this multipurpose platform motorcycle. There is a provision of space to store motorcycle repair equipment on this product. And this platform is a product made using steel as the main material because the nature of the state itself is strong and sturdy for outdoor and indoor. So that's all from me. Thank you.
That's all for from our group about our presentation today. Thank you so much for lending your ear and eyes to hear about our presentation. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.